We just parked at the Arecibo Observatory. We're gonna go in and see the radio telescope. I think that's what it's called.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
I'm so glad that I brought this umbrella because it's raining again. It's okay though. I stopped and saw these. These are along the way, and I'm like, oh, look at the pretty pictures. And then Chris started explaining the pretty pictures. He is so, I don't know the word. Like, he likes science. He's really into science. He understands it. He seriously explains the strangest shit to me, and I'm like, I feel stupid. Like, he explained to me, like, how we're teeny tiny little specks, and I'm like, yeah, I know, like, we're just little dust, you know? Specks of dust. But then when he broke it down, I was like, oh shit, we really are specks of dust. We still have to hike up all these steps as well, and I didn't realize this was gonna be such a hike. My butt cheeks are on fire, and I am not wearing the correct type of shoes for this shit. Like, I'm in flip-flops, so... oh... It's a little planet inside of here. We have to wait for them to break the $100 bill, so... As soon as we walked in, this lady greeted us. She was really nice. She offered to help put on our wristbands, and I'm like, oh, he can help me. And then she started giving us information about the place. So this weird contraption is the radio telescope, and you have to have like special shoes to walk on it. I think that these guys were going up there to do some maintenance on whatever. I don't know what they're maintaining because I don't know what any of those parts would even be called.
They have this spinny thing over here. Similarly, it's like, he said, like a little star is going to erupt or whatever. It starts pulsating and pulsating and goes faster and faster, and then it explodes. So you can get on there and you can ride it. I'm not going to because I have sleep problems and I will definitely throw up. I like getting to be, like, I have to be just standing up and looking at that big hole in the ground, so that definitely wouldn't work for me.
As we were leaving, we noticed these like space rocks or whatever they are on the wall, meteorites or I don't know.
What is that? It's not weird, it's a rock. It's not a rock, it's like metal.
From space. The meteor is the size of a meteor.
Oh, that came from Africa?
So kind of in Africa.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Like, that's crazy.
Heated up so much coming through our atmosphere that it actually started to like bubble. Do you see the little bubbles in it? Like, that's some scary shit, stuff just falling from the sky. Can you imagine, like, you get hit by that thing and you die, like the obituary for that? Killed by space rock. No thanks. Okay, we are leaving the observatory now. We are gonna go to the Indian cave. It's still pretty hot out here. The rain didn't really cool anything off at all. It just made it more like sticky. But anyways, so we're gonna look up directions and head toward the Indian cave, I guess. So we'll see you there.